1. Connect to S1S to S3S for ports of MG4. Record and note the K value marked on the weighing module connected to the S port. And connect the MG4 to the PMU CAN port. 2. When installing and placing the medicine tank. Note: the medicine tank must be fully placed on the contact surfaces of all weighing modules. 3. Open ground station device management weighing sensor. Check if the K values corresponding to K1, K2, K3, K4 are consistent. If inconsistent, click K value calibration and enter the K values of the weighing modules recorded during the S port connection in sequence. Note: the interfaces shall not be interchanged after calibration is completed. The original weight distribution of each sensor can be viewed here. 4. Tap tare calibration. Start calibration. After tare calibration, add required GG material. Video demo. 5,000 grams only. Tap weight calibration and put actual weight. Start calibration. Calibration done. Thanks for watching.